feel like I hate you. It's not cemented in yet, but it's really welling up in me. I don't know what part of you being a douche at the beginning makes you think we bonded. It's not happened. We may need your services earlier than I thought, Hazel. What's your name, sir? Wayne. Hello, Wayne. What do you do for a job, Wayne?
I built super yachts.
Oh, fucking, what a dick. Oh, wow. But that's an exciting job. That's an interesting job. What's the distinction between a yacht and a super yacht? What's the difference? A meter. At what point? 100 foot, which is interesting that you've changed metrics. Okay, all right. I'm already lost at sea, but okay. It literally just scale, just size. It suddenly just gets up to a super. And price, of course, yeah. What, is this crude to ask? I'm sorry if it is. Feel free not to answer. What's the most expensive one you've sold? Are they not very super? You just built, yeah. No, I appreciate that, and thank you for making this not funny. Challenging dickhead. Okay. All right, Wayne. Of the super yachts you've built, which one sold for the most money, and how much was that money? Do you get to name them?
35 million.
35 million, thank you. That's a lot, isn't it? That's good. Oh, say again? Eddie Jordan is the person that bought it. I don't. He only paid 12 million, so you didn't sell it. I've never haggled for a super yacht, but I reckon I could do quite well. Just keep asking, it goes down. I'll get one for a bag of chips.